Well, welcome to this product demonstration for the Lyme Borrelia infection screening tests available from ValueMed, made by Alltest. This is the carton pack, has standard Hangzhou Alltest Biotech markings on it. On the end you will see Lyme IgG and IgM rapid test cassettes, which are suitable for use on whole blood serum and plasma. This pack contains 10 cassettes, 10 droppers, which are these little capillary droppers. Now they're not marked, but the instructions guide you in terms of the volume of either serum, plasma or whole blood that you're adding to the test cassettes. And then these are the foil wrapped Alltest test cassettes. Each one of these foils, you get 10 of them in the pack, contains an IgG IgM rapid test cassette. You also get a buffer solution, which is just one buffer solution for the 10 cassettes. It's sufficient to run 10 whole blood tests. Now, they can be run on capillary fingerstick blood samples. They can also be run on all the standard blood anti-clotting and storage stored venous blood samples, including heparin, potassium sodium citrate, and all the other common anticoagulants that are in blood storage vials. They're suitable for all of that. They can also be run on serum and plasma samples. They have individual results for IgG and IgM, which will assist in the diagnosis of whether it is a recent infection, a developing infection, or a chronic old infection. And they are intended for professional end use. This is not a home test. You will note that the pack does not contain anything for obtaining your blood samples, all of which has to be done independently. This is intended for professional distance rapid screening where clinical diagnosis of a recent Lyme infection is imperative to initiate rapid treatment. Thanks for watching.